This is Ward's Daily Almanac. I'm W.B. Ward. Today is October 30th, and today was the final mission for a shuttle. That and more on Ward's Daily Almanac. Among those born today are second President John Adams. Other birthdays today include Emily Post, Charles Atlas, Grace Slick, and Henry Winkler. It was first known as Last Chance Gulch, but it was on this day in 1864 that four gold prospectors founded Helena, Montana.
The Columbia Broadcasting System and its affiliated stations present Orson Welles and the Mercury Theater on the Air in The War of the Worlds by H.G. Wells.
Orson Welles threw the nation into panic on this date in 1938. This is when his play War of the Worlds was broadcast on CBS radio, causing millions of people to believe that the Earth was being invaded by Martians. It was the rumble in the jungle on this date in 1974 when Muhammad Ali knocked out George Foreman and became the heavyweight champion for the second time. Today in 1985, NASA launched the Space Shuttle Challenger. Unknown at the time, this would be the ship's final successful mission. That's a look at October 30th. If you'd like to check out the book version of Ward's Daily Almanac, just take a quick trip to my website and see the various books available. Visit today, wbward.com.